everybody. Today, Power Probe, dumping the fuel out. Alright, that's what we're doing. I'm going to talk about the different ways you can empty the tank in the 240, but I'm going to use a Power Probe. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. I'm going to attempt to start the car. If it doesn't start, backup plan. Sometime next week, I'm going to take that lovely harness I had made out and put the original back in the car, because that might be more problem. So sometimes in the week, I'm going to plug this back in and hopefully it starts. If it doesn't, I have to get Josh in here, help troubleshoot, because I need this car started before Friday next week. All right. Hey, again, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for watching. And please order a t-shirt. Please help the channel out. Please. Without selling t-shirts, I can't buy parts. YouTube doesn't pay me. So I'm trying to sell shirts to help fund the build. It's the only one's going to get done. So you guys want to see this go further? I need to buy paint. I need to get the Nismo seats, the Maxima steering wheel. You know, the turbo flange is getting done as we speak. I got to pay that guy. When that's done, he's going to do the headers. I got to pay him for that too. So you guys want to see this build done, get you a t-shirt, an Authentic Design t-shirt. I can print you one on the spot. You order it, get it to you, or I got embroidery ones already done. Just hit me up. I'll see what size you need and I'll get it out to you. All right. So anyway, enjoy the video and, you know, hit that like button. Appreciate it. So of the many ways to drain your fuel pump, pull the filler neck off, suction out from the bottom of the tank, use a siphon pump going through the filler neck from where you fill up your fuel and siphoning it out, taking the fuel pump out, get a cup and dip it out. You can also drop the tank, which I did back in 2010. I'm not doing that again. Or use the relay system like I'm doing right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get this little hole plugged up so I can stop leaking and drain this tank so I can get new fuel in, crank this baby up. All right, so I'm gonna set y'all off over to the side, and if I can get the tripod to work. So here we are. Got a bucket, collect the old fuel. It's a 5-gallon bucket. When I got this from Lowe's, it's 3/8 tubing, and it's 10 foot long, $5. I made had a huge vacuum line connector had sitting around, and I cut the extra piece off, plastic welded it, get it closed. Then what I'm doing is, if you look at your fuse box right here, it says EGI pump. That's the one you want to take out, and you're going to be using, see if I can zoom in real quick. Got you guys at a weird angle. Zoom in. So you're going to be using these two connectors, the two closest to the fender or to the coolant reservoir. That's what you're going to be using. And I'm using this tool right here. I got a Power Probe. Just hook the positive and negative to your battery, and made my own little connector here. Yeah. Put that in one section. Let me connect my ground back up. All right. Then I'll come down here. Make sure they don't touch. And here it lights up. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can't actually. But yeah, that little light right there lights up. If you watch the hose, you're gonna see the fuel coming through. Got a little leak going there, but I'm gonna fix that. Just want to show you guys. That's that. All right. So it goes. And that's a lot of fuel. Golly. I think we're out of a good 2.5 gallons already. There's a bike behind you. You're welcome.